I'm back with another cooking video. Today, myself, Nelson, I'm here to make some vegan black bean burgers. I'm already spilling some stuff. Let me clean that up a bit, and then we can get started. Something proper. Okay, here we go. So you're gonna need some black beans, obviously. Crack that can open and zoom on in. So get your big glass bowl out, because you're going to need it a couple times. You're also going to need a strainer. So once you got that, you're going to take that open can of beans, you're going to pour it right on in there. Pour it in there, and you're going to want to strain out all that bean juice there. Get all that bean juice out, and give it a good shake. Give the strainer a good shake. Shake out those beans. Get all that dirty bean juice off it. So, you've got your beans. Now, it's time to clean those beans, because you don't want to be eating no dirty beans. So after you clean them, give them a good soak. Put them back in that strainer, put them back in that big glass bowl, and give them a good soak, because you're going to want some nice soft beans so we can mash them down into a nice burger patty. So soak those beans, give them a good soak. Okay, now you've got your clean beans here. Your clean beans, they're soft and ready to be smashed down. So let's start smashing. Let's start smashing these beans here. If you've seen these videos before, you know being a master smasher runs in this family. My mom's a master smasher at guacamole, and I'm taking that and I'm smashing these black beans, smashing them down, getting them nice and soft and gushy. Which is crazy, because when you smash down all these black beans, it kind of starts to resemble ground beef. Well, obviously cooked ground beef, because, you know, uncooked ground beef is kind of pink. But look at that. It looks, you know, if somebody told you that was cooked ground beef, and you didn't just see me smash those beans, you'd believe it. And bring a spoon in, make sure I got them real nice and smashed up. Yeah, bring a random person in, or show somebody this video at this point, and tell them that's ground beef, and I bet they'll believe you. But between you and me, this is a whole vegan recipe. So vegans, don't you say I never did nothing for you. So now we've got our smashed beans. Let's add some ingredients. All right. So I'm going to start by adding some hot sauce into my bean mash here, because I like a little spicy kick. I'm going to throw in some garlic salt, some paprika, some black pepper, and some panko breadcrumbs. You want to put some breadcrumbs in there so that the beans will all stick together, and it'll form well when you form them into the patties, so they don't fall apart once you throw them on the flat top. So now we've got all that. Time to get my tiny little hands in there. Get my hands in there and mix it all up. This is my favorite part, just being able to mix all this stuff together. So you mix those beans and those breadcrumbs. Look at that. Look at that nice mixture there. Doesn't that just look delicious? Okay, so now that we've got our mixture, we're going to form them into some patties. Some patty magic right there. You've got your burger patties, your black bean vegan burger patties, and you're going to want to get you a nice oiled pan. Get it on about medium heat, and you're going to want to take one of those patties there. In my case, I'm taking two of them because, you know, I'm a hungry person. And you're going to throw them right on the old skillet. Doesn't that just look delicious? Alright, let's get ready to give these things a good flip here. Where's my spatula? My lucky spatula. I don't have one? Well, make do. Give me something. Okay, so we got those patties cooking right there. Getting nice and all cooked up. And so, I'm gonna have a little side of mashed potatoes here. Had some leftover mashed taters in the fridge, so I figured, you know, why not heat them up? Mashed potatoes are vegan, right? Yeah, okay. So we've got our cooked burger patties. Let's dress them with some nice vegan cheese, some onions. Get them nice firm toasty buns ready. Put some lettuce on that. There you go. You got yourself some nice vegan black bean burgers. Vegan through and through, even down to the cheese. So remember to like and subscribe my channel and share this video for some more food stuff. I've been Nelson. This has been the Indecent Conversation Recordings YouTube channel.